another one? Okay, now you want to go off correctly. Okay, they wanted to go off the right way. Okay. Oh, it's for Staten Island? Oh gosh. What the? Okay, these storms could hit me. I think they will. Let's see. I think they're gonna go. I think they're gonna hit me. Definitely, for sure. Oh, SMW? Bro. It's gonna be a double header.
Todd Hill and Oakwood around 3:05 p.m. The Marzano Narrows Bridge and Tompkins Hill around 3:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Large hail. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
No.
New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from New Jersey on 20 nautical miles.
I didn't ask you to go off.
At 2:52 p.m.
Oh, it's gonna be a triple header. Are you serious? SMW for New York Harbor now, bro. Are you for real, dude? Triple header? Oh my gosh, what? Now that is crazy.
Locations impacted include Seabright, Sandy Hook Reef, Atlantic Highlands, and Monmouth Beach.
That is insane, bro. Oh my gosh. Alright. Not gonna be a quadruple header, no. It's not gonna be a quadruple header at least. What is going on, bro? It's on WXM60.
Wind gusts 34 knots per liter, small hail, and will be open expected to storm. Water stay below deck as possible. Keep away from ungrounded objects.